Alright, this is an example of how to take the derivative of a function using a trick from Feynman's Tips on Physics. So what you're going to want to do is take the derivative of a really complicated function like this without a lot of work is write down the whole function again, x squared plus 7x, x to the fourth plus 5 cubed, and then on the bottom we have x to the sixth, the square root of x squared plus 4. And we're going to have a bracket here, and we're going to have one term for each of our little products here. And the denominator is the thing in the brackets. In the first one it's x squared plus 7x. The exponent goes out in front, 1. And on top we put the derivative of the thing in the parentheses, or the denominator. So in this case it's 2x plus 7. We do that for each term. Second term, in the bottom we have x to the fourth plus 5. The exponent goes out in front, 3, and the derivative goes on top, 4x to the third. Another term. On bottom we have x. The exponent goes out in front, minus 6. That's why I knew it was going to be minus. That's why I didn't put the plus sign. And the derivative goes on top, 1. So, and then the third term is the same thing. So it's in the bottom. I know it's going to be negative. The exponent is 1/2 times. Then we have x squared plus 4 goes in the denominator. X squared plus 4. In the numerator I have the derivative of this, 2x, and close bracket. That's the derivative of this whole function. If you factor it out and clean it up any way you want, but this is actually a pretty reasonable way to write it. Thank you, and let me know what you want to see next in the comments.